The topic in this video is compound interest. When we deposit money in the post office, bank, insurance company, or any other company, when we deposit or when we borrow money, they calculate the interest for that money using this compound interest only. So, in that case, we have to know about this compound interest. And now, this is the formula for the compound interest. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power N. A is the amount and P is the principal whatever we have, the original value. And R is the rate of interest and N is the number of years the money is invested. I'll explain this in detail in this video. The first problem is the compound interest on rupees 5,000 on 10% per annum for 2 years is. So we have to find out the compound interest and the given data is P, that is principal, is equal to 5,000 rupees. And R, the rate of interest is 10%. And the time period T or N, whatever, it is 2 years. So now compound interest directly we cannot find out. We have to find out the amount and then we have to find out the compound interest. Amount formula I have already given you, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power N or T, whatever N or T, whatever we want to, that we can give. So this is the amount whatever we get. P, principal is 5,000 rupees into 1 plus R is 10 by 100 and the number of years is 2. So we can cancel this 10 and here 100 also here itself. And then when we simplify 5,000 into, we have to take LCM of this 1 plus 1 by, so now what we have is 1 plus 1 by 10 the whole power 2. This is what after cancellation we have. So now this is 5,000 into 10 plus 1 by 10 the whole square. We are taking LCM now. So here 5,000 into 11 by 10 the whole square. So we have this thing here. So now after simplification, what will happen? So next one, 5,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. I'm opening this square and making it this way. So we can cancel these zeros here. And now we have 50 into 11 into 11. So when you multiply, this is 50 into 121 which is equal to rupees 6,050. And this is amount, not compound interest. They have asked compound interest and this is the amount. Amount means principal plus compound interest. Amount is principal plus compound interest. We want compound interest. That means CI, that is compound interest equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 6,050. Amount is 6,050 and principal is 5,000. So compound interest is rupees 1050. Compound interest for is 1,050 rupees. This is the required compound interest. Now the second question. The annual rate of growth in population of a town is 5%. If its present population is 4,000, what will be its population after 2 years? So now they have the given data. First we have to write the present population, that is P. P equal to 4,000 present. Now it is like that. And R equal to 5%. And N equal to 2 years. And they are asking what will be the population after 2 years? That means they are asking the amount. They are not asking compound interest here. They are asking the amount. So amount formula. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Every time when you do problems, you have to write the formula and then only you have to proceed. So now P equal to 4000 here. 1 plus R equal to 5 by 100 and the whole power 2 because 2 years you have. And now when we simplify, we can cut this 5 and 100. That is 5. In 5 it will go, so it will become 20. So now 4000 into whatever we are remaining with is 1 plus 1 by 20 the whole square. So now 4000 into, when you take LCM for this, it will become 20 plus 1 by 20 the whole square. So it will be 4000 into 21 by 20 the whole square. As usual, like last problem only, we will do 4000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. We are opening this square value. So this two zeros we can cancel now. And then this 2 will be cancelled and this will become 20. And now this will cancel and it will become 10. So whatever we are remaining with is 10 into 21 into 21. So when you multiply, it will become 4410. So the population after 2 years is 4410. This is the answer. Now in this third example, at what rate percent per annum will rupees 5,000 amount to 5,832 rupees in 2 years compounded annually? So here we are going to find out the rate percentage. So before that, what are the given data? So here principal P is rupees 5,000 and amount to, they have given it like this. So that means amount is rupees 5832 and n equal to 2 years. This is the given data and they are asking us to find out rate. So now the formula is amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. We know amount, that is 5832 equal to principal is 5,000 into 1 plus, we don't know R, so we keep it like that, R divided by 100 the whole power 2. N equal to 2. Now we have to simplify this side. So for that, this 5,000 we have to send it to the left hand side. 5,000 is in multiplication here. So when it goes down, it will become 5832 divided by 5,000 equal to 1 plus R by 100 the whole square. It will become like this. Now we will simplify this. 5832 divided by 5,000 equal to, here we will take LCM, 100 plus R divided by 100 the whole square. So again this side 5832 divided by 5,000 equal to, how to make this? 100 plus R the whole square divided by 100 square. Like that also we can write. Now this 100 square will be sent to the other side. Here it is in the denominator. So when it goes to the left hand side, it will go to the numerator. So 5832 into 100 square is 1000, 4 zeros, divided by 5,000 equal to 100 plus R the whole square. It is like this. Now This and this can be cancelled and it will become 2 here. Now 5832 into 2, that is 11664 equal to 100 plus r the whole square. Now left hand side also we need to produce it in the form of square so that we can find out r. For that square, how to find out square? I will do it here. 11664, we are, I'm breaking it using prime factors. So 2. So it will be 5832. I'm breaking it using prime factors. This is square root chapter. So 5832 will become 2916. Again we can break it using 2. It will become 1458. Again with 2, it will become 729. Now it can be broken with 3 and it will become 243. Now again with respect to 3, then it is 81. Then again 3, it will become 27. Again 3, it will become 9 and 3 and 3. Now we can combine. How many 2's are there? This 2 can be combined, this 2 can be combined, this and this. So we can, so these two can be made as 2 square, like that. So how many 2 squares? 1 and 2. So we have 2 squares 2 times and 3 times. And then it can be squared. That is, these two 2's, I made it as 1 2 square here. And here 2 2's are there, and that is another 2 square. Here 3 sets of 3's are there. And here it is 100 plus r the whole square. Now both numbers are squares, so we can say that the square root is also equal. That means we can remove the squares in both the sides. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 100 plus r. I am just removing the squares on both the sides. Now we have to multiply the entire thing here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 108 equal to this side 100 plus r. So this 100 we should send it to the other side. So it will be 108 minus 100 equal to r. Here it is plus. So when it goes to the other side, the 100 will become minus. So 8 equal to r. That means the rate of interest r equal to 8%. Now, the fourth example is, in what time will rupees 1800 gives an interest to rupees 378 at 10% per annum compounded annually. So here we have to find out the time period, and we will write as usual, we will write the given data. P, principal P is equal to rupees 1800 and compound interest CI equal to rupees 378 and R equal to 10%. We know very well in the formula we will use only amount, not the compound interest. But we know how to find out the amount. Amount equal to principal plus compound interest. That is 1800 plus 378. And that is equal to rupees 2178. So we have found out the amount by calculating, by adding principal and the compound interest. So we have the amount now. So now amount formula. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power N. So now amount is 2178 equal to principal is 1800 into 1 plus R is 10%, 10 by 100 the whole power n we want to find out the n now. So we can cancel this 0 and this 0 here. Now as usual we can send this to the other side here. So it will become 2178 divided by 1800 because it is in multiplication here. So we are sending it to the denominator this side, equal to, when we take LCM it will be 10 plus 1 by 10 the whole power n. So now when we cancel these two, 2178 divided by 1800, so when we cancel this, it will become 1089 divided by 900. We are cancelling it with 2. Now again when we cancel it with 3, it will become 300 and this 1089 will become 363. Again we can cancel it with 3, it will become 100 and here it will become 121. So now what is left is 121 divided by 100 equal to 11 by 10 the whole power n. So now we know here some power is there. So we will make the left hand side also with some powers. We know very well that 121 equal to 11 into 11. Same way 100 equal to 10 into 10. We know the squares and all. So 121 we can write it as 11 square. This is 11 into 11 is 11 square. Same way 10 into 10 is 10 square. So we will write it 11 divided by 10 the whole square, which is equal to 11 divided by n the whole power n. So now if the base is equal, then powers, sorry, here 2, not n, 2. So 11 into 11 is 11 square, 10 into 10 is 10 square. So 11 square is 121 and 10 square is 100. So here the power is 2. So now 11 by 10 power square, square is equal to 11 by 10 power n. If the base is equal, then the powers also will be equal. Therefore, n equal to 2. That means 2 years. N equal to 2 years. So in this video, I have covered how to find out compound interest, amount, rate of interest and the time period, duration also. In the next videos, I will be posting half-yearly compound interest and some more complicated problems in compound interest. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you.